Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Figma design to React code. So all you need to do is make sure you are logged into your Figma account and then open the design that you want to change to React code and then press on the coding symbol here. You will see language. Of course you can add the pages here and then you can see the language React. You can see here Figma to code HTML Tailwind or Anima Figma to code React HTML CSS. You just choose it and then choose React, and then you can also change the TypeScript, JavaScript here, whichever you want, and then the styling also CSS or Tailwind CSS, and then of course clients, ChatGPT, and the flows and everything. You can add or change or attach files here, and then you can also include this extension. You can download it, install Figma for VS Code. So if you ever do any changes in Figma, it will also be changed in the code in VS Code, whether it is Figma or whether it is React or CSS or any other code, HTML or anything. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.